White and black Shemagh heavyweight Arab tactical desert keffiyeh. The scarf definitely has to be rinsed in a sink in cold water before use to get the factory smell and excess ink off of it. Just use your thumbnail and water to get the sticker off of it. Don't try using a knife or sharp object, you'll pull the strings. I am definitely pleased with it. There may be a few loose strings that need to be brushed off. RICCOS Fashion Women Ladies Brown Leopard Print Soft. AllBueaty Fashion Women Ladies Brown Leopard Print Soft Long Stole Scarf Shawl Pashmina. Change Women Fashion Leopard Pattern Colorful Shawl Scarf Wrap. I bought 4 colors. It took almost a month to get them, but I am happy with them after the long wait. I was looking for something for warmer weather, and these are thin fabric, doesn't seem to wrinkle easy, and they look and feel nice. It's just long enough so I can tie them, or just put them around the back and hang down the sides. I am happy with this purchase. Change Korean Fashion Deer Pattern Women Long Cotton Scarf. Scarf. Amton C Shop Beautiful Newly Fashioned Hot Warm Lace Tassel Sheer. The scarf looked pretty in the photo, but in person the details are magnificent. It has the appearance of a faux embroidered, delicate organza, and there are micro silver glitter within the white flowers. The unique lacy fringe is actually tiny crochet flowers, giving it a boho sophistication. Also, there was not one wrinkle when I took it out of the packaging. The triangular size is perfect without the oversized bulk, and the scarf is versatile to wear it various ways, whether on the neck or tie it as an asymmetrical hip sash. However, it took at least 3 weeks for delivery. Luckily I was in no rush and is well worth the wait. Still, I'm tempted to purchase it in other color with this incredible price. Javanaz Fashion Leopard Print Elegant Scarves Chiffon Long Scarf. Javanaz Fashion Leopard Print Elegant Scarves Chiffon Long Scarf Shawl.